Nova, I think we've got a problem.
What's wrong?
I think we have way too much filament. We need a way of organizing all our filament.
We could stack them into a tower.
This seems a little dangerous.
Well, there are a lot of DIY filament storage solutions posted online.
I prefer keeping my limbs attached. What about something that doesn't involve sawing, drilling, and effort?
What about this?
Yeah, that could work. This Vesken shelving unit from IKEA is only $15.
That's only 140 Dogecoin. Oh, but it does require some assembly.
It's IKEA. I think we can manage. There, all done.
How much filament do you think we can fit on there?
Every shelf fits 7 rolls of filament. With 3 shelves... Let's see, subtract the number of turns. That's 21 rolls! Filaments in sealed vacuum bags also fit. The cart also has wheels, so it's easy to access and move around. The wheels don't swivel, so the rack can only move in one direction. But the wheels can be put on in 2 different orientations.
This does seem a lot more organized.
Now we've got more room to play.
Yay! Let's go print some stuff.